So we are now in the other portion of the farm where they are growing red sandal. Red sandal also is planted in the same 10 by 10 feet spacing, and this has a potential to grow about 500 kilograms in about 10 to 15 years. And I mean 500 kilograms of the hardwood. And the economics wise, although there is no authentic pricing available on the internet, the speculated pricing seems to be about 20 to 40 lakhs rupees for 1 ton, means 20 trees. So if 20 trees can fetch you 20 to 40 lakhs, imagine how potential this crop has. And for such a great crop, why won't you do a plant irrigation, a properly calculated nutrition? And if you do all of these, this plant certainly has the potential to gain in the hardwood quantity or the weight much better than anybody else could. Therefore, investing in proper drip irrigation and proper technology like Grotron is 200% worth in profitable crops like this. So one more small piece of information about our insulation method. Normally, in all our installations, you will see a bypass valve, bypass manual valve on top of this solenoid valve. Actually speaking, all the solenoid valves do come with the manual bypass option built in. But what we thought was, if someone were to use these manual bypass too frequently, maybe the threads may go faulty, and they may have to spend a lot on maintenance. But what we really found out was that hardly anybody uses the manual option. The manual bypass that we were giving so far actually lie unused. So we decided not to create that bypass, which again costs a little more money and additional expense. So we thought we will stop doing that. So now, like in this installation, you just have the solenoid valves which have the built-in manual bypass, but there is no physical manual valves bypassing this solenoid valve. So this is going to be our standard installation method going forward. All of you know already, Grotron is the only system that has the ability to manage or maintain the air-water balance of the root zone by sensing the soil parameters and also by using artificial intelligence. It actually turns on the valves and pumps at the appropriate time and appropriate duration, and it maintains the right moisture at the root zone. And again, you know very well, maintaining the moisture at the root zone perfectly all the time ensures that the plant can get to the genetic capacity, whatever it may be. I hope the information in this video was useful to you, and I guess it might be useful to some of your friends too. Please do share with those friends. And if you think you would like to get notified of these kinds of interesting information in advance, please do subscribe to our channel. And until we meet again in an interesting video like this, see you, Benjamin.